Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the lock is powered and actively in pairing mode because the app needs that handshake. Once the LED blinks, open Tuya Smart and sign in. Make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are granted so discovery works. Next, select Add Device and choose Smart Lock. Enter your 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password when prompted. This step connects the hub or lock to your network, so take a moment to confirm credentials are exact. Once the app detects your lock, you'll scan the QR or type the device ID. This ties the hardware to your account. Now configure security. Create an admin PIN, enroll fingerprints or cards if the lock supports them, and set user roles so guests have limited access. Make sure to name the device and assign it to a room for voice assistant integration. Also, enable auto lock and adjust timeout to balance convenience with security. Shorter time reduces risk. You finish by testing. Lock and unlock from the app, review event logs, and run any automations to confirm behavior. If firmware updates appear, apply them now and reboot the lock or gateway after the update completes to ensure stability. If things go wrong, reset the lock to factory default, confirm you're using a 4 GHz network and that your phone's Bluetooth is on, then repeat pairing. If intermittent failures persist, check interference and move router or gateway closer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.